foreign financial account reporting. IRS and the U.S. Treasury Department have cooperated in developing a series of reporting requirements if you have a financial interest or signatory authority on a foreign financial account. The basic reporting requirements is one, to answer the questions on your Form 1040 as to whether or not you do have such an account, then to tell them which country or countries it's located in on that same question, and lastly, to report, of course, any interest and dividend income you might have, as well as any capital gains or losses that you might have incurred in those financial accounts. That is reported in the normal body of the tax return. But in addition to that, if you do have the foreign financial account, then you have to file a separate form due by June 30th each year, which identifies the financial institution whose name the account is in and the largest balance in that account during that previous calendar year. That form is due by June 30th. There are no extensions, and it is filed separately from your tax return. Let me caution you, extending your tax return filing date until October 15th of the following year does not extend the due date for filing this return. The penalties for non-filing of the return are very large. They can be as much as 50% of the highest balance in those accounts. There can also be criminal sanctions for not properly answering the question on your tax return or not properly reporting the income from this foreign source. In addition, there can be criminal charges for not filing the forms that are required. You should be aware that in some countries you are required to either open a trust or a foreign corporation in order to have a bank account in that country. If that is your situation, then there are other information documents that have to be filed with the Internal Revenue Service. As you can see, this is a very complicated area. We at W.H. Simon & Company have extensive experience in complying with the rules and advising clients on what they need to do to correct non-compliance in the past periods. We will be more than happy to provide you with a free consultation if you have this situation.